Hello, this time we will learn about procurement process overview in SAP. Procurement in my SAP ERP covers not only traditional process such as requisitioning, purchase order management, and invoice verification. Also catalog-based self-service requisitioning for maintenance, repair, and operation materials and services. Procurement in my SAP ERP improves procurement processes by facilitating plan-driven and ad hoc purchasing, complete inventory management, and intelligent reporting on all procurement activities. In addition to providing supplier relationship negotiations, bid invitations, and vendor evaluation. Support for process variant optimization allow individual categories of material or services to be produced in the most appropriate way. For example, the subcontracting process supports the delivery of components required by outsourced manufacturing steps, and procurement through invoicing plans helps improve rental and leasing processes. The basic procurement process cycle for service or material consists of the following phases. The first phase is determination of requirements. Material requirements are identified either in the user departments or via materials planning and control. You can enter purchase requisition yourself, or they can be generated automatically by the materials planning and control system. This can cover both MRP and the demand-based approach to inventory control. The regular checking of stock levels of materials defined by master records, use of the order point method, and forecasting on the basis of past usage are important aspects of inventory control. The second phase is source determination. My SAP ERP helps you identify potential sources of supply based on the past orders and existing longer-term purchase agreements. This speeds the process of creating requests for quotation, which can be sent to vendors electronically via EDI. The next phase is vendor selection and comparison quotation. This system is capable of simulating pricing scenarios, allowing you to compare a number of different quotations. Rejection letters can be sent automatically. Next is purchase order creation. The purchase order adopts information from the requisition and the quotation to help you create the purchase order. As with the purchase requisitions, you can generate purchase orders yourself or have the system generate them automatically. Vendor scheduling agreements and contracts are also supported. In purchase order follow-up, system checks the reminder periods you have specified and, if necessary, automatically prints reminder or expeditors predefined intervals. The system also provides you with an up-to-date status of all purchase requisitions, quotations, and purchase orders. In goods receiving and inventory management, goods receiving staff can confirm the receipt of goods simply by entering the purchase order number. By specifying permissible tolerances, buyers can limit over and under deliveries of ordered goods. In invoice verification, the system supports the checking and matching of invoices. The accounts payable clerk is notified of quantity and price variances because the system has access to purchase order and goods receipt data. This speeds the process of auditing and clearing invoices for payment. That's all for procurement process overview in SAP. Thank you.